Hi, learners, welcome back. This is Life with Anand K YouTube channel. Let's begin with the questions on material science subjects. Question number A. The composition of silver solder is? Options are 1. Silver, copper, zinc. 2. Silver, tin, nickel. 3. Silver, lead, zinc. 4. Silver, copper, aluminium. The answer is option 1. Question number B. Pipes for bicycle frames are made of? Options are 1. Cold rolled steel. 2. Hot rolled steel. 3. Forged steel. 4. Cast steel. The answer is option 1. Question number C. Which one of the following metals would work harden more quickly than the others? Options are 1. Copper. 2. Brass. 3. Lead. 4. Silver. The answer is option 2. Question number D. Bell metal contains? Options are 1. 70% copper and 30% zinc. 2. 90% copper and 10% tin. 3. 85 to 92% copper and rest tin with little lead and nickel. 4. 70 to 75% copper and rest tin. The answer is option 4. Question number E. The percentage carbon content in wrought iron is about? Options are 1. 0.02. 2. 0.1. 3. 0.2. 4. 0.4. The answer is option 1. Question number F. The silicon steel is widely used for? Options are 1. Connecting rods. 2. Cutting tools. 3. Generators and transformers in the form of laminated cores. 4. Motor car crankshafts. The answer is option 3. Question number G. Which of the following metal is used for nuclear energy? Options are 1. Uranium. 2. Thorium. 3. Niobium. 4. All of these. The answer is option 4. Question number H. Cemented carbide tools are not found to be suitable for cutting _______. Options are 1. Brass. 2. Cast iron. 3. Aluminium. 4. Steel. The answer is option 4. Question number I. Which of the following has highest specific strength of all structural materials? Options are 1. Magnesium alloys. 2. Titanium alloys. 3. Chromium alloys. 4. Magnetic steel alloys. The answer is option 2. Thank you so much for watching. Have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comments.